Proteins are structured twofold right. Primary order makes the polypeptide. With DNA, the nucleus is filled. RNA translates and comes out sides. Polarity is what helped do it. Along with peptide bonds, the side chains of amino acids have R groups with a chance to take its flexing or its stressing to get closer and advance. Tertiary structure strong. All the bonds hold them there. Covalent and ionic bonding, disulfide bridges and H bonding. Hydrophobic core inside, hydrophilic parts outside. Secondaries too, twisted folded like poo. Differences in charge from the R groups. Hydrophilic or ionic, it can be hydrophobic inside of it. Primary is starting though. Peptide bonds the star and go. Connect amino acids in the string, twist and fold and help you do cardio. R groups get categorized. Hydrophobic, hydrophilic, or ionized. Has an amino terminus and a carboxyl terminus. Interaction of the R groups. Tell structure and function of what it do. Tertiary and quaternary off for certain. Unless you change the T or add some detergents. Secondary has the folds that come from beta sheets, alpha helix, amino acids, other monomers to form polymers. Dehydration synthesis brings polymers together. Hydrolysis splits them up. Quaternary forms and tertiaries folded up. Hydrophobic R groups fold away from the water. The core stays together with covalent and ionic. mRNA lines up with DNA from 5 to 3 prime. Takes the message away to the ribosome. Amino acids have directionality, each one has amino or carboxyl terminus at its ending. The order of amino acid tells the structure. Our group is categorized by its chemicals. They have nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon, phosphorus, oxygen in their backbone. Yeah, you eat these proteins when you eat Chipotle. Beans, nuts, and meat give essential amino acids. Our groups get categorized. Hydrophobic, hydrophilic, or ionized. Has an amino terminus and a carboxyl terminus. Interactions of the R groups. Tell structure and function of what it do. Tertiary and quaternary awful certain. Unless you change the T or add some detergents.